Reading through a few articles on Global Peace Foundation, I came across the concept of global government. When I ventured deep into understanding what exactly is global government and how is it going to benefit us, I found a few of the gains which I would like to share with all of you. Global government seems to be the highest authority of this world. It aims at making the whole world to be one common place. What is the benefit we are going to get out of it? Number one, it will establish standard policies and procedure to run different type of industry like the finance, the trade, insurance, banking, health, travel, tourism and many more. Number two, it is going to definitely look forward to either forcefully or legally eradicate the entire terrorism. Number three, if it is going to become the highest judiciary power of this entire world, of course it is going to take control of all the national as well as international boundary conflicts. Fourth, it is going to look at abolishing or maybe stopping the manufacturing, the sale, purchase, testing and use of the nuclear weapons, because there is a lot bad effect of the nuclear weapons in this world. Not only this, the fifth point which this government wants to do is all about looking into the health, education, safety and nutrition of all the mass as a whole. Coming to the next point, the global government is looking forward to have a population control and an equitable population distribution, wherein it will look into the capacity of each and every country in order to drive the development of their countrymen, and through this they would want to distribute the existence in a better capacity. Global government is also looking at monitoring the entire development in the science and the technology field, and also into the aeroplace and the satellite provisions which are currently happening. Looking forward into the development side, it's many, but how are they going to manage the disaster? Global government keeps an eye and they want to help the disaster affected part of the whole world by providing global assistance. When the world becomes one, of course there should not be any restriction on the movement of the passport, immigration or any rules and regulation to move to another country. Global government as a whole wants to abolish the whole system of making passport and have our concept of free travel, because everybody becomes citizen of single nation. Global government can exercise all these powers but without interfering in the governance of any of the country. The ultimate aim and objective of the global government is to have peace, prosperity and stability in the whole world. If global government is formed, it will be a federal, secular and democratic government for this world, and for sure it's not going to interfere in the governance of any country in this world. What's going to happen once global government is formed? Global government is the supreme power and it will hold the highest judiciary system in this world. It will resolve each and every conflict which might happen in the national and the international bodies. Global government will also look into abolishing the requirement of the passport, visa and immigration to fly from one country to the other country. It look forward to creating a free citizenship concept in this whole world. Global government will also establish standard policies and procedures for running each and every industry like maybe taxation, accounts, insurance, banking, health, education and whatnot. Global government will also remove terrorism either legally or forcefully. Global government, not only this, they are also looking at, I think when we form global government, it will also take care of the health, education, nutrition of all the citizens and all the people in this world. It will monitor the exercise of the science and technology in different spaces, and it is also going to monitor the use of the aerospace and the satellite technology in this world. Global government is also going to have global assistance to the disaster which might happen in any of the country in the world. What if we have one common currency system which is running across all the country? Global government will also look into creating one common currency for this whole world. Not only this, global government will also look into the development of the population as a whole by controlling the population and also looking into the equitable population distribution among different countries. We look forward to have a global government in this world.